So you want a tyre for your vehicle, but you're not sure what you want. You don't want a premium brand, however, you do want a quality one, which is a value for money. So here at Tyres Company, we use Evergreen tyres. You might not have heard of Evergreen tyres. Evergreen tyres are something which we would fit on our own vehicles. And the beauty of the Evergreen tyres is the fact that they have a puncture repair guarantee. Which, can you imagine, you buy a brand new tyre, you go down the road, you get a nail on the sidewall and it can't be repaired. How frustrating and annoying is that? And also expensive. So the guarantee with a tyre is, you buy a brand new tyre, you go down the road, you get a puncture which is unrepairable. Evergreen tyres will replace that tyre free of charge. Or alternatively, if you've been using the car for 6 months, 12 months and you get a puncture and that can't be repaired, Evergreen will only charge you the proportion of the tyre that's been used. So if your tyre's half worn, you only pay half the price. Now, isn't that worth buying? What a great guarantee. You know, saves you buying a new tyre every time you get a puncture which cannot be repaired or you damage the wall. So if you want a tyre with a guarantee, pop into Tyres Company and we'll sell you an Evergreen tyre, which we believe is a great value for money tyre. Tyres Company 01782 834 215.